I thought it was just worth adding this onto my YouTube channel. A friend's got a DJ company, and I repair the general tap that he brings in. Some of this equipment is just hideous. This apparently is about 180 quid. It's a three LED modules in one. I guess it's sound to light and all of that sort of stuff. 1 amp fuse in here had blown, and you can take the end caps off, which are 4 screws each end. These then unplug from just in here, and you can slide out the LED modules from the rails. Checking the output of this driver, it was dead short, so I was thinking that's probably the end of that, until I looked up that number on Amazon and found that you can get these replacements for about 12-13 quid or less. I've just cut the cables off because we might need to lengthen the cables of the one that arrives. But yeah, this is obviously a sealed unit. Looks like they've assembled it and then used some sort of potting compound. This is a sort of ceramic material here. So yeah, looks like that's going to be repairable for about 12 quid, and that'll save my friend about 180 quid to replace it. So yeah, just thought it was worth putting that out there. Am I seeing a model number? Probably on here. Yeah, I mean, it's just stuff out of China as always. So yeah, there we go, that's that.